Cibo has a variety of tools to use when using the layout editor in order to design your own layout content. Available from the toolbox, Global Elements give users the option to easily add text, dates and times, as well as lines, and a variety of shapes, to help create unique visual designs. Drag and drop to the canvas. Or click to select and click on the canvas to add. Global Elements can be easily resized and positioned. Once added to the canvas, select from the options shown in the Properties panel to customize and style the appearance of selected items. When adding text, you can edit directly on the canvas by double-clicking the text element. Click again to highlight and overwrite. Global Elements can be used on their own or can be added to complement and enhance other content added to layouts. Compatible with all widgets, data elements, and library media, Global Elements are a great way to draw attention and further enhance content to make your layouts stand out.